everybody. We just wrapped up our first market fair of the year, and honestly, it could not have gone better. We didn't get a video out this past weekend because we were getting ready for it, but I am thrilled to say that it was a fabulous day. It was super busy, the weather was perfect, and we saw several repeat customers from last year, along with lots of new faces. We even sold out of a few items, which was definitely unexpected, but also welcome. And on top of that, we made significantly more in sales this year than last year. All in all, it was an amazing start to the market fair season, and we're really looking forward to the next one. Since Easter is next weekend, we went ahead and printed some Easter stuff to sell as well. And here I just have a few of our favorites to show you. So we have two here from 3D Miss Prints, who we adore. And she has these cute little bunny and chick clicker fidgets, which went over pretty well. Everybody loves a clicker fidget these days. Also, these cute little bunnies and chicks in the bigger basket. And then from STL Flix, we have these crocheted carrot bowl and bunny bowl, which you can use for candies, eggs, whatever you want. We like them so much that I printed a set just for us and some to sell. And I'm glad to say that they seem to be a hit. Let us know in the comments which one is your favorite. And that's all I have for today, so thanks for watching. We'll be back after Easter with another video, so please be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss it. Have a great day and a happy Easter. Bye, y'all. Help me, Tom Cruise.